back to the channel. So it is a week until Fright Nights starts at Thorpe Park, so I thought I'd pop over today and take a look at some updates and see what's going on over here before the event starts, see if we can sort of have a peep and see if there's anything that we can have like a sneak peek at, I suppose. So yeah, so I'm going to get inside, let's go and have a look. First update of the day, Hyperia is closed. It's actually closed for the whole week for maintenance. Soar has been closed on Monday and Tuesday, today's Wednesday. So that's back open, that's actually running at the moment. As you can see in that shot, there was a giant crane right next to Hyperia, so I imagine that's for the maintenance. So that's your first update. Let's go and have a look for some Fright Night updates. Wiggly eyebrows. There's that big old crane. Hopefully they're doing some work on the water feature. That'd be cool if they could get that back up and running. In the last video I did, I showed you the sort of the rusty bit of the water feature, so hopefully they're going to sort that out. But we'll see when it opens next week. The Amity Beach is closed. Obviously it's a seasonal thing, so that's all closed now. It's getting a bit chilly. It's a bit cooler. Oh, actually the sun's quite nice today, but you can feel cool breeze. We're going to go and have a look in the swarm area and see what's what. There's nothing really to report around here actually. I don't think there's much going on. I don't really... Yeah. All seems to be pretty much as is. Right, so let's have a quick look, see what we're showing for a wait time. I mean, it's a 5-minute wait time for the swarm. And it's 11:30. So that's kind of show you what the day's going to be like, I think. Especially with no Hyperia, you would have thought that the queues would have been massive. Right, I'm gonna have a look around, then I'll come back for a ride. It is quite a nice day, so I was expecting a few more people to be riding on Tidal Wave, but not me though. Thank you very much. Right, now Oktoberfest is done, it looks like they're changing all of the stage and everything for Fright Nights. It's actually working on it now. Quite interesting, I guess they're doing all the lighting rigs and making all the changes. Hopefully they don't use dubstep, because there's nothing scary about dubstep. It's cool to see them working on it. It is very quiet on Park today. A lot of the little concessions are shut. I know this stuff's all finished because it's the end of Oktoberfest, but yeah, I was expecting a bit more to be open, to be honest. Right, let's have a quick nosy in trailers. So the queue lines were there. There it is up the back there. Imagine they're doing some work inside. Very cool, I'm looking forward to that. Really looking forward to that. There's your poster. So the 4th of October to the 3rd of November. So they've got all construction going on at the moment. I think they're doing the maintenance. There's a guy out there in like a pod thing, going up like on the crane. I guess he's just checking all of the points. Yeah, big fucking crane. Looks like there's some work around the sides as well, digging up the plants. Okay, that's not digging up the plants, they're obviously doing some foundation work as well for the shop. Yeah, Soar's back up and running, so that's been down for 2 days, but that's back on, you can hear from the screams. They see him shooting around. Samurai's closed, don't know if that might open later though. There it goes. There you go. 5-minute wait. Right, okay, so I've just done Saw. That was particularly rattly today, so that was quite a tough ride, but I got through it and it was all good. But I've just come off Saw, and obviously we've got some scare zones to have a look at, so let me spin you around. So there we go, let's look from the other side, so you can see all the hay bales there. Just about, you see? Can't see the screen and angle like this for you. So all the hay bales there, all the structures and fences all around here, all the lighting rigs set up. So yes, it's looking good, it's looking good. I'm stood just underneath the spiral of Colossus, so he's about to come round. There seems to be a bit of confusion about the price of the scare mazes. So it's actually cheaper to buy individual tickets than it is to buy the pack of 4, which you would have thought would be the other way around. So if you actually have a look at them, the timings are a little bit different. So you've got certain times that you can go in the scare mazes if you buy them in a pack of 4. But if you buy them individually, you've got like all night. You can pick your times or your time slots. So have a look at that before you buy your tickets. And if you've got a pass, you do get 20% off. Even if you've got a silver pass, you usually only get 10% off. You get 20% off. So have a look if you're going to do that. So I've literally just got off Saw, and they've closed for essential cleaning. So I think someone on the train after might have spewed, which is quite interesting. They're still going round. Oh no, they're empty. Empty cars going round. You can see them coming in a minute. There you go. But yeah, so I think someone's chucked up, which is great. So over by Stitches, looks like they're putting the cover in for the side of the building. So there's the Toy Emporium there. They're obviously doing a lot of work inside for that one, so you're not really going to be seeing much. If you can see there, just inside that little toy box, I don't know if you can see. Try and get it in focus. There's a couple of little toys sitting inside that open box. That's really cool. This is going to be wicked. Really enjoyed this one last year. No updates for the Sunset Cinema yet. They're putting in a special version of It for the Halloween season for Fright Nights, so I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Yeah, no updates just yet. Right, I'm going to record that bit again because like the amount of copyright music that we're just playing in the background, so I'm going to cut the pictures over. So I've just come back by the Creature Campus, so the high school bit. It looks huge in the stealth area. It just makes the whole area that usually looks massive, tiny. So, but it's cool though, it looks really cool. They've put a lot of effort into the set for that one. And that's Rumba Rapids done for 2024, as you can see up there. You see? Returns 2025. Let's see if they can get a replacement in there quick enough, because I'm not sure. If you've ridden Rumba Rapids recently, you'll know it's pretty bad. Nothing really happens, you just kind of amble along the water. No chance of getting wet or anything. So, we'll see. Well, if you don't believe me how quiet it is, take a look at this. I can't remember if they do anything more with Walking Dead the ride for Halloween, for Fright Nights. And obviously they get the live actors in. It's another one with 5-minute wait. I just can't remember if they do anything extra for Walking Dead the ride during the Fright Nights, if they get any more actors in. So usually they've got 2 right at the end in the cafeteria. Kind of just stood about. That sounds really mean, but you know, what more can they do? They're zombies. But, yeah. So all down the back of Zodiac's all cut off. Trying to have a nose to see if I can see in, but no, unfortunately not. But yeah, it's all the way down. Hi, Future Dan here. So I got back from the park about an hour ago. So I left Thorpe Park probably about 2 hours ago. And I've just seen on social media that they've just finished putting up the sign for Deadbeat. I can't believe I missed it, but these things happen, I suppose. Whenever I see that, I think of Q4 coasters. Mate, sort your life out. So it seems as though when Hyperia shut, the whole area shut, so you've got no shops, no concessions, like, you know, you've got the pudding place where you get the donuts and stuff, or the Diddy donuts, so all that seems to be shut. But yeah, they seem to be working on the whole area. Let's have a look at any new merch. Still got the Oktoberfest stuff out. We've got the Hyperia bags in here. The straps. Not sure who he is. Oh, there's a few new bits. New stuff bits. There we go. Actually, the new sauce stuff. The only problem is because it's, I don't know, it looks nice hanging up. And then when you get it home, you're like, why did I buy this? Prime example. Oh, these are pretty cool. The key rings. And Billy chilling. What's this? Teddy bears. I have no idea what that is. Wine bags. Oh, just little teddy bears. Yeah, none. Oh, Fright Night socks. Back in stock. £7.50 a pair. Right, time for the most important stuff of the day. Donut time. So try the new one. Jacob Dolordi. Thank you. Oh man, they're all so good, look. God damn. So I think that's all the updates for Fright Nights. There seems to be a lot of construction going on, which is great, because it shows they're putting in a lot of work for the event. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing what they do with the Sunset Cinema, if they change the name of it, if they do something cool with the front. I don't know, there's so many possibilities. So I'm going to be working at Tully Oktoberfest for the entire season. I've got a couple of nights off, and one of them is to come here for Fright Night, so I'm really looking forward to that. It's strange because obviously it's, I guess, seen as competition, but I just think if everyone that puts on an event, if they raise the bar and everyone sort of raises the bar above, then you get wicked events. You know, it's the people that visit, the customers, the visitors that really see the benefit of that, because they get to go to all these cool events, and they know every year the bar's going to be raised a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. So I'm really hoping that's what happens. Unfortunately, I can't get to Alton Towers because it's a little bit too far because of, you know, a lack of nights off. But I would really like to go to that. So I hope that it's going to be, you know, your experience guide are going to be going there. So I'm definitely going to be watching their videos just to see how that plays out. So that's really exciting. But anyway, so I'm going to eat my donut and then I'll be back with you. Okay, donut eaten. That was banging. Red velvet cake, donut, vanilla frosting on top, and a cookie. But it could have done without the cookie. The cookie wasn't actually very nice, which is really weird because usually the donut time stuff is like tip top. It's really, really good. Anyway, you're not here for donut reviews, although donut reviews is a good thing. Kind of breaks everything up. So I was speaking to a nice member of staff just then. We kind of said, obviously our HYPERIA are getting ready for Fright Nights to make sure it's all smooth sailing and everything's good. He also mentioned that I asked him about the rusty bit, just to see if he knew anything, and he said, yeah, it's just like surface level, so it's all good, but the water feature doesn't look like it's coming back. But we'll see. We'll see. It might come back at some point, but it doesn't look like it's going to be this season anyway. Well, it's a 10-minute wait. But honestly, this is probably my favourite ride on the park, even with HYPERIA. It's just, I just love it. Love a wing coaster. Oh shit! Wow, there's absolutely no one in the queue whatsoever, so it's not a 10-minute queue. Let's see. So I assume they're going on the front, they're on the back. So quiet. Right, so that's your lot. That's all your updates. It's everything I can find. I'm sure there's other bits and pieces that I might have missed, but I think we got quite a bit in there. I got 2 goes round on Swarm. There's so few people in here. It's like literally, if there's a spot, hop back on. All the staff have been really cool, really chill today. So that's really nice. So I guess when you're When it's a bit quieter, you can be a bit, you know, a bit more chatty, a bit more, not a bit more friendly, because everyone's really friendly here anyway, but, you know, it's just nice. It was just nice today. Right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. They're all the updates for you for the week before Fright Nights. So hopefully Fright Nights is wicked. Hopefully it's really, really good. I'm going to be working at Tullish Oktoberfest, so if you happen to be down there, if you're from the south, then come and give us a shout. You'll see me wandering around. You'll know me. You'll know the beard and the ears. So yeah, just give us a shout if you do. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
And we don't know how long the fun will last.